In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send emails on Klaviyo from a profile. This is really useful when you want to reach out to a specific person, maybe to answer a support question, follow up on an order, or send a quick personal note without having to build a full campaign or flow. We'll walk through the process from start to finish so you can comfortably send one-to-one emails right from within Klaviyo. First, make sure you're logged into your Klaviyo account and that you're on the main dashboard. At the very top of the screen, you'll see a search bar. This is where you'll look up the person you want to email. You can type in either their name or their email address. As you start typing, Klaviyo will suggest matching profiles. Take a moment to double-check that you're selecting the correct person, especially if you have multiple contacts with similar names. Once you see the right contact in the search results, click on their name. This opens their Klaviyo profile page. Here, you'll see a lot of useful information about that person, like their activity, properties, and how they've interacted with your brand. For now, we're going to focus on sending a direct email. In the top right corner of the profile page, look for the Messages button. Go ahead and click that. This opens up your messaging options specifically for this profile. From here, choose the option labeled Send Email. This tells Klaviyo you want to send a one-off email directly to this individual. A pop-up window will appear where you can draft your message. At the top, you'll see a space to enter your subject line. Make sure your subject is clear and specific so the recipient immediately understands why you're reaching out. Below that, you'll have a larger text area for the body of your email. This is where you type your message. You can keep it simple and conversational, and if needed, reference why you're contacting them, such as a recent purchase or a question they submitted. Before you send, take a moment to proofread your subject and message. Check spelling, make sure the tone matches your brand, and confirm that you're sending the right information to the right person. When you're happy with everything, click the Send Email button in the pop-up window. Klaviyo will process it and send it directly to that profile's email address. And that's all there is to it. Search for the profile, open it, go to Messages, select Send Email, draft your message, and hit Send.